I have now put the control arms in the car. They work, so that's good. I did have a bit of trouble with this one. This one wouldn't go in, and when I was pressing the bushes on, I've obviously bent it because this was bent in like this. No, yeah, in like this. So it was 10 millimeters too narrow. Don't ask me what that is in non-metric measurements. You can Google it. And she's all good. Just did a bit of fancy work with a bottle jack, and jacked her out. She's sweet. Another update. Done a lot of work today. It's Good Friday. As you can see here, got a bit of crush tube action going on. We've ground this all flat after welding around the crush tube to weld it in. Dremeled that hole out to match the crush tube. Don't know if we can see in there. You can see the tube through the top. Should line up fine. We had a bit of work getting this crush tube out of the way. It's gone probably out here, but that doesn't matter. We've also moved this nut. Don't know if we can see. Yep, we've welded that nut in so it's ready to go. Won't move around, so you can take the studs out easy. This one we haven't done yet. You can see there's no crush tube in that. No crush tube. We did move this nut. I've done that. Tacked it in. She's a beauty. Ready to roll. So that's the little update. That one's ready to go. I've just got to tack a nut up in the top here and a lick of paint, and she'll be good to go. If you want to know any more, please let me know in the comments, and like and subscribe and all that stuff. What am I doing next? I'll probably do this side, same again. Dremel this bigger, put the crush tube in, weld around it, move that crush tube out of the way so that this one can go through, and tack the nuts on the top. This one will have to be bolts, I think, because I don't have any more of these studs, unless I get some more studs. I've drilled that hole, which is the other one for the front. What we'll do there is probably use a hole saw, because you learn things. Hole saw that out, drill the hole at the top, put the stud down through from the top. I think I'm going to drill a hole in the battery bracket and put a stud through this one as well, just to make it the same. This one's easy because nothing's in the way. Just do the same thing. That one's already got a nut, as you can see there, welded on. We've got another hole to drill and a nut to put in, as you can see, about there. That's about it. Oh, that's what else I did. I took that blanket thing off the firewall so we can have a look at it. I've got to take the heater core out, and I've got a little bit of rust to fix. There's rust way up in that corner, way up. You can't see it. It's on the other side of that curved looking thing. But I've got to work out how to fix that, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same over here. So brake booster, you're going to have to go on a holiday while we fix it. And best time to do it is right now, because the giant obstruction called the motor is not in the way. I've got to change the heater core because it leaks. I've bought one, but it's a bit of a scene. Got to pull the dash out, and I can't even really get the doors open because we're on the hoist. Can't really get it off the hoist because there ain't no wheels to put it down on. I could put it down on blocks, but it's really not going to go anywhere. I've got to fix this rust too. It's seen some times. Crust. Alright, I'm excited. Hope you guys are too. I'll let you know how I go next time.